The crab and the woman is sitting on a picnic blanket enjoying together in a meadow with beautiful flowers and birds flying around. We get a beautiful image with all the reference elements applied correctly. However, the woman's face is not fully consistent. It shifts from a realistic look to a more animated style. Now I'll add this to the prompt, preserve the facial features of the woman. With that change, we get much better facial consistency. That is a recommended Qwen image prompt. I'll include all of these key prompt terms directly in the workflow as a template so you can copy and paste it directly. I had an image for an album cover and loaded it into Qwen Image Edit 2511. The goal was to remove one of the drummers from the image. However, Qwen had trouble detecting the correct subject because the two drummers looked almost like clones sitting very close together. I tried generating multiple versions, but each attempt failed. In some cases, it removed the drum entirely. In others, it made changes I didn't intend. After several frustrating attempts, I decided to load the image into Microsoft Paint and manually cut out the area instead. I typed the prompt, fill the white patch with environment, and surprisingly it worked. The model filled the area with the guitarist, and the result fit naturally into the image. If your output sometimes looks plastic or overly shiny, it can be caused by using an odd or incorrect resolution. To fix this, just add the Apex Smart Resize node. It automatically snaps the resolution to a proper value and removes that plastic look. I was just testing the different camera angle, and it looks great. The model is aware of environment and different angles. Let's try the white patch method again. This is not an in-paint or mask workflow. I simply cut the image in Microsoft Paint to create a white area. Then I enter a prompt to add a butterfly. The white patch gets filled correctly, and the butterfly is added to the scene. I've included the index offset node to fix the offset issue. This helps reduce the plastic look, especially at lower resolutions. In theory, a recent ComfyUI update should have addressed this, but I'm including it here to be safe. I've also included a prompt template with different camera angles and prompt examples you can copy and reuse. This workflow will be available for download.